How's it going, everyone? You're watching the Green Dream Project. Jim here. You're gonna see Jessica today too. Together we are gonna double team this. You know what day today is? It's gutter hanging day! Oh, how the time flies. Seemed like only yesterday it was hole digging day. Got the gutters a while ago, but today, guess what came in? Or well, came in probably a couple days ago, but the post office over here isn't open on the weekend, so I was stuck until today. But this is what came in. We got the hangers. Oh yeah! These are nice. These are much better quality than even the ones we used back at our old house in Coolidge. These are better than the ones that are on the Hacienda gutters. Nice and thick. They got screws already attached to them, and I got them on a real good price. Definitely shop around, guys. I was at Home Depot and these things were like over $1 a piece over there. But I got a smoking deal on Amazon. These should be very nice. Make it super convenient to put these up. So without further ado, let's hang the gutters. Look at this layabout over here. Crew, why are you being so lazy? Why are you being so lazy? No sleeping on the job. Wow. Wow. I'd fire that guy if he wasn't so darn cute. So everything's set for working outside. Got my shades. Got my gloves. Even got my utility belt. Let's rock. Kind of cool that these gutters I got have these little connector pieces. Looks like the gutters just slide right into there. And you probably just seal it up and it's good to go. It's kind of nice. Well, as soon as it goes in. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's locked in. Locked in tight. Alright, so it's gonna be time for the first downspout, which I think is gonna require a couple of these. This is really pretty easy to put together. Connector piece on, downspout on. Like butter. Maybe not quite, but not too bad. Word to your mom, came to drop bombs. I've been spending way too much time on Instagram today, I'll tell you that much. Redneck's going. You wanna move it that's from? Look at this cable guy. Can't forget our end pieces. No gutter system would be complete without them. Unless you pick the wrong side. I had a 50-50 shot at getting this right. Of course, I didn't. Just shows you how things have been going around here. I guess that's looking good. If I got my fat head out of the way, you'd probably be able to see some work getting done. So good news, we're down to our last couple of pieces. I have one more section of gutter, one more downspout. Let's get this done though. Woo! So these aren't gonna quite match up perfectly. They ran out of the brown ones, so we're gonna have a couple of galvanized metal ones. Sometimes you gotta go with what they have, you know? You don't wanna wait around just for a couple of brown pieces. These things are even a bigger pain in the butt than the other ones. Now this last piece here is gonna be a little trickier. We're getting toward the end. This is gonna be way too long to come to the end of the roof. So I'm gonna have to take a measurement. I'm gonna have to cut part of that so that it lines up to exactly where we need it to be. As you can see, I'm about to use the miter saw to cut through the gutter piece. Now I tried it before on one of our spare pieces, so I know this will cut through. It actually does a very good job and I got a very clean cut with it. If at first the metal don't fit, you must quit. The trick though is getting all the pieces to fit at the exact same time. And it's in. Took a little finagling, but we got it. Not all of these parts look like they might fit perfectly. I had to make a little adjustment to some of these galvanized parts. Personally, I don't think these are quite as nice as the brown ones we got. It might take a little bit more sealant to kind of seal up any holes in here. One more piece. Can't forget the end cap. Oh look, we already got some bird poopies in here, ready to go. And voila! Gutters are ready to go. I know everyone's been waiting for it, but yes, we finally got the gutter strung up along the front side of the roof. Didn't take too long. Maybe those fittings are sitting inside the store. They kind of get bent up a little bit, so sometimes it might just take a little bit of adjusting just to get all the metal fitted. In a future video, we'll probably show us using some sealant along some of the cracks, just to make sure there's no water leakage. But other than that, the gutters are good to go. So coming up, we'll definitely be working on the pipes, working on getting those set up, getting those plumbed into the first flush system, getting those plumbed into the main water tanks. Should be very exciting. Stick around, be sure to check that out. Alright, we'll catch you on the next video, everyone. Bye. Stick around, be sure to miss